Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jara, and I want to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. This video is going to be a Coach haul, you guys, and I have several things here that I want to share with you all. And let me tell you something real quick. The things that I'm going to show you in this haul, I purchased for my birthday. This is March. My birthday isn't until July. But I've been hauling a lot because this year is going to be a milestone birthday for me, you guys, okay? So I can't afford to buy everything that I want, let alone afford to buy everything all at once in the month of July. So I'm trying to spread out my purchases by buying some kind of pricey items to me. All right. So we're going to start off with Coach. All right. So I have a couple of items here, and then I still have two outstanding Coach orders, y'all. Let me tell you, Coach got my coins, okay? They got my coins. Anyway, let me also mention, in a video, maybe 2 or 3 videos back, I had mentioned to you guys about my car breaking down on me. And then my husband's car was being serviced. So let me tell you what happened. I got my car repaired. It cost me like $1,300 to get the car fixed, all right? But I'm happy about that because I didn't have to go out and get another car and have a car payment. I'm so glad I didn't have to go out and finance a car. But I will say the $1,300, oh, y'all, it hurt. But just as a side note, ladies and guys, have you a rainy day fund set aside? Have you a little bit of emergency money on the side? My husband's car didn't cost anything to get that repaired. His problem was still under warranty, so we only had to pay for my car, and we had a rental car for a week. So thank God for that, y'all. All right, on to the haul. This is the Willow shoulder bag in color block. The color is Silver Pool Multi. The hardware is silver. Look at her, y'all. She has like a trapezoid shape here on the side. Here's the back, no pocket. Here's the bottom. There's 4 feet here at the base. So pretty, you guys. So let me try to show you guys the inside. Here's what the inside of her looks like. So we have a center zip compartment is here. Here's the front, and then it has the Coach Creed is down in there. On the back, there's a slip pocket here. And then here's what the zippered center compartment looks like. That. Okay. I want to show you there is a detachable handle with about a 6-inch drop. detachable handle. Looks like this. I don't want to fully unwrap it. Like I said, this is going to be one of my birthday bags. So it looks like that. It has this little padding here. Okay. And here is the shoulder crossbody strap in this color here. And this strap is about a 21.5-inch long strap. Okay, that is detachable as well. Okay, you guys, so there is that. So I had to buy me a wallet to match. Here's the wallet. This is the billfold wallet in the color silver pool. Right, snap entry. We have 6 card slots, and then you have a little space here and here, and a full length bill compartment, which I love. And then you have a zippered section here with some spaces in here for you to put additional cards, money, coins, whatever it is that you want to put there. So yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to wear this willow shoulder bag this spring and summer. So yeah, that's it. Oh, you guys, let me mention this willow shoulder bag also came with the hang tag. I took it off because I did get the hang tag hot stamped with something that's kind of personal, and I didn't want that to show. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in real quick. All right, you guys, moving forward in this mega coach haul. To me, this is mega. All right, so let's move on. The next item I want to share with you, I will carry this bag probably soon. Okay, I hope to get to this bag soon. This is the Ellis tote. This came from coachoutlet.com. I've never had a nylon coach bag before, and I wanted to try it. So here this bag is here. This is in the color gold wine multi. Y'all see that there? Look at her. It's the bottom. There's no feet at the base. Here's the other side. You got your handles here. What's on here? Okay, so there's like a leather strip here. Not really road handles, but kind of similar a little bit. You got your web straps, excuse me, with the striping here. Now, let's see. Here's your little dog tag. Let's see, the back has a back pocket here. Let me try to give you guys a look of what the inside has to offer. Okay, so I don't know how well you guys will be able to see the inside, but on the back there's a zipper pocket here, which also the outside of the pocket has the Coach Creed, and then on the front there's 2 slip pockets. There's one here and here, so your basic setup, and it's lined in this dark burgundy, purple burgundy, I don't know what kind of fabric this is, nylon or something like that probably. Okay, so This is the Ellis tote, you guys. So let me show you two more items from this haul. This is a Nolita. This is the Nolita 15 in the signature chambray color, gold wine multi. This is my first Nolita, you guys. So I wanted to dip my toe into those, into the Coach smaller bags. So let me see. I did purchase it to match this tote, and I also have the wallet in the chambray multi wine color to match as well. So I think that's an okay match. What y'all think? We'll see. So here's the Nolita. I don't want to open. Okay, I'll take this off. That's all right. I'll take that off. Let me take this off. I'll take it off so that you guys can have a better look. It's so cute. So it has the dog clasp here. You can attach it here. There's a million videos, you guys, on Nolitas. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. So I'll probably put her inside of here. Oh, let me see. Just, you know, your basic inside. There are 2 card slots here. Okay. Oh, I can't wait. I might wear this maybe next week. I might pack her up and wear this next week. All right, so there's that. And then the last item I want to share with you in this video is this. Y'all, my table, I have like a rug, a furry rug mat. Let me show y'all. I'm getting off track a little bit. Oops. Y'all see this thing? It sheds. These little hairs. Can y'all see them little fibers flying off? This stuff is going everywhere. Anyway, back to this. This is the Trigger Snap bag charm with the leopard print. Y'all see that? I purchased this charm to go with this backpack right here. I've had this backpack since let me see, September of 2022. Let me see if I can give you guys a closer look. Y'all see? So I'm slowly buying different prints in this leopard print right here from Coach Outlet because I like it. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so that is it for my mega Coach haul. Thanks for joining me, and if you stay till the end of this video, y'all know I highly appreciate that. I appreciate that so much. And again, I'm so happy that I don't have a car payment. Now I can kind of like resume my normal shopping habits. Maybe I need to tone it down a little bit because there are a few things that a few luxury items that I'm looking forward to buying. In particular, a little bit of Gucci I want to add to my collection. So guys, I hope you like what you see, and if so, don't forget to subscribe. Maybe share my channel with other people that you think might be interested in this type of content. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every time that I present a video. So thank you guys. Thanks for all of my new subscribers. I see y'all. I see you. Thanks, guys. Bye. Mwah.